Hello friend, I am Chef Nasir from the Atharva College of Hotel Management. Today we will make Italian cheesy cream pasta. There are so many types of different shape pasta in the market available. So I have taken elbow shape pasta and freshly cutted mushroom, little bit squeezed with the lemon juice so that it will not turn black. If you want, you can boil the mushroom with added little vinegar and lemon juice and cut half and keep ready. Julienne carrots and green capsicum, chopped garlic, chili flakes, and olive oil. Oregano, nowadays it is also available in small shop or in a small mall. Shredded cheese, refined flour, Amul butter, salt to taste, and this nutmeg powder and white pepper powder mix together I have kept it. Milk and fresh cream. So let's make the pasta. First boil the pasta. For that water has been boiling. I am putting oil and little salt and then pasta. See, the pasta has been boiled. If Italian peoples are there, they prefer al dente pasta. That means it is 98% cooked, not 100%. Slightly it should be chewable. Now this is chewable pasta al dente and I am going to strain it. After straining, you can put little olive oil in that and mix it well so that it will not stick to each other. But after straining, you have to put cold water on it so that it will get cold very soon. Now keep it aside and start for next procedure. For the bechamel and cheese sauce, we have to boil the milk and then keep it aside till come it is warm. Now the milk is getting warm. Till then we'll make the roux. This is the equal quantity of butter and flour cooked together on definite degree temperature, that is called bechamel sauce. If you are boiling the milk, that time you can put the studded onion, that is called bay leaf, whole onion and some cloves studded in that. So that is called studded onion and put in the milk while boiling it. Now the butter has been melted. Now I am going to put the refined flour in that and stir it regularly. Till this is called roux. Stir it regularly till it is come light brown and you get the flavor. Stir it regularly on medium flame. Leave the flame medium till it is slightly brown. Stir it regularly till it get the slightly brown and cook properly. Now at this step we'll have to pour the warm milk, which is I have done already, added with the studded onion, what I told you in beginning. But when you are going to pour the milk in this, you have to remove the studded onion. Put little milk in that and mix it. Mix it well. If you have whisk, use the whisk to break off the lumps and to make the smooth sauce. This way. Put the little milk again and mix the same procedure. To make this sauce, always use the heavy bottom pan or non-stick pan. If you have, you can use it. See, the sauce is getting smooth and nice creamy and velvety. So this is the base bechamel sauce. And whisk it again till it is come on medium consistency. Now at this step, if you want, you can put little sugar in that and white pepper and nutmeg powder. This is white pepper powder and nutmeg powder to get the nice flavor into the sauce. And shredded cheese. As I told you in beginning, this is cheese sauce. After adding the cheese, mix it well again so that the cheese will be melted fully in the sauce and you will get the nice creamy texture and taste into the sauce. Keep stirring it till the cheese is fully dissolved and slightly bubble will come on the sauce. That means it is done. After stirring continuously, see the sauce has become thick. Now at this step, if you want, you can pour little milk because it should be made on medium consistency, and cream to give the nice texture. And whisk again. See, the sauce is turning very delicious. After adding the cream, if you want to check the sauce whether it is done or not, you can turn the spatula. If it is coating on backside of spatula, that means sauce has been done and looking very smoothie and velvety. Look at this. So keep this sauce ready, then we'll start for next procedure. Now the cheese creamy sauce has been done and keep it aside. Before keep aside, you can pour little milk or butter on it so that dry layer will not come up. That's it. Now the oil is medium hot. I am going to put the crushed garlic and saute it till light brown, because in the pasta Italian prefer more garlic in the pasta. So that gives nice flavor and taste into the pasta. That's why. Let it turn light brown. Then add the mushroom. Cook it till mushroom turn light brown. Then put the oregano to get the nice flavor into the pasta, and save little bit for the garnishing. Put vegetables. If you have red pepper, yellow pepper, you can put in that. If not, no problem. At this step, put half chili flake and half chili flake save for the garnishing. Now put the boiled pasta in this. Put the boiled pasta and mix it. At this procedure, cook it on slow flame so that the pasta will not get burnt. After mixing this, pour the cheese cream sauce which is made earlier and mix it again. Look at this. It's delicious and tasty pasta. See. Put the sauce little and mix it well. See, like this. It's becoming nice, creamy and beautiful. Again I am going to put pasta should be coated fully with the cream sauce. Mix it well. Now it is ready to serve. Pasta has been ready to serve. Now let's put garnishing on it. This is sprinkle with oregano. Chili flake. And shredded cheese. Looks beautiful. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Thank you.